In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your browser's password manager, specifically Google Chrome, to manage and access your saved passwords effortlessly. Let's get started. Imagine you're browsing and suddenly realize you can't remember a password. Don't worry. Chrome's built-in password manager is a fantastic resource to simplify password management and keep your accounts secure. The first thing you'll need to do is open Google Chrome. Once the browser is up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner. There, you'll see three vertical dots. Click on these dots to access the menu. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, navigate your way to the Settings option. This will take you to a new page filled with all sorts of preferences and customizations, but for today's purpose, we are zeroing in on one feature, the Password Manager. So, scroll until you find Autofill in Passwords and click on it. This section allows you to manage how Chrome handles form data and stored passwords. Once you're in, you'll see an option labeled Google Password Manager. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you're in the heart of Chrome's password management feature. If you're like most internet users, you'll have a variety of saved login credentials here. If you're looking for a specific password, such as for your Google account, there's an easy way to find it. In the search bar, type google.com. This search will filter through your saved passwords and bring up your Google account entry. Next to your Google account details, you will notice an icon that looks like an eye. Click on this little eye, which is the magic button that reveals your password. However, to ensure security, Chrome requires you to verify your identity before it divulges such sensitive information. So, before you can see your password, you'll need to enter your system password. That's it. You've successfully accessed your saved password using Google Chrome's Password Manager. This tool can be a lifesaver, especially if you juggle multiple accounts and passwords. Being able to keep track of them securely without resorting to insecure methods like sticky notes or notebooks is crucial. As a tip, remember to always keep your browser updated to ensure you have the latest security features. Also, consider using complex, unique passwords for different accounts to maximize your security. And there you have it. Straightforward access to your passwords, right at your fingertips, all with the convenience and security features Chrome offers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more how-tos and helpful tech tips.